Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into a crucial topic that can improve your English speaking skills. That is framing questions or double-H questions. We frame questions or double-H questions for an information or for clarifying details. ಸೊ ನಮಗೇನಾದರೂ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ we ask questions or we make double H questions. In framing questions, how to match your questions to underlined words is very important. ಅಂದರೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವರ್ಡ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಿಕ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಡಬಲ್ H questions. Let's get started how to frame questions or double H questions in this video. See here, Pratap is reading a newspaper. So this is what statement. So in this statement we have underlined the word Pratap. That is what noun or person. For this statement we have to frame a question in such a way that we have to get the underlined word as answer. Question ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. See here, Pratap is reading a newspaper. See here, who is reading a newspaper? Pratap is reading a newspaper. So who is reading a newspaper ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ the answer is Pratap. So here the Pratap is reading a newspaper is in the present continuous tense. We have to make the question in the present continuous tense itself. We should not change the tense while framing a question. I bought a new car yesterday. So in this sentence we have underlined the word a new car. I have bought a new car yesterday. In this sentence we have underlined the words a new car. The double H question is what did you buy yesterday? Here helping verb did is there because bought is past tense. That's why we have to use the helping verb did. So what did you buy yesterday ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ the answer is a new car. They are going to Paris next month. So we have underlined the word Paris. That is what noun, name of the place. So the question is where are they going next month? The answer is Paris. Next one, the meeting starts at 10 a.m. So here we have underlined the time at 10 a.m. So the question is when does the meeting start? Here we have to use the helping verb does because the verb is in simple present. That is what starts. So if the verb takes s or es, we have to use the helping verb does when we framing the question. So when does the meeting start? The answer is at 10 a.m. He is crying because he lost his job. The underlined words are he lost his job. The question is why is he crying? The statement is in the present continuous tense. The question is also in the present continuous tense. Why is he crying? The answer is he lost his job. While talking about reason, we use the double H question why. The reason is because he lost his job. That's why we have framed the question why. I prefer the blue dress to pink one. So there are two choices here, blue and pink one. So I prefer the blue dress. So here it is the choice. Whenever we are talking about the choices, we use the double H question which. Which dress do you prefer? The answer is blue dress. Pradeep's book is on the table. So we have underlined the word Pradeep's. Whose book is on the table? The answer is Pradeep's. ಯಾರ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮೇಲಿದೆ? ಆನ್ಸರ್ Pradeep's. ಪ್ರದೀಪನ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮೇಲಿದೆ. Dear friends, framing questions is very important for SSLC board examination. So the students who are studying in SSLC or 10th standard, they must watch this video because it will be for one more question for SSLC board examination. Let's continue the topic. I visit my native place twice in a month. Here we have underlined the word twice. Twice means two times. The question is how often do you visit your native place? So ನಿನ್ನ ನೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ನೀನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾರಿ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಇನ್ ಎ ಮಂತ್. ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ವೈಸ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಆಫನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಾರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾರಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯಾ ನಿನ್ನ ನೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಇನ್ ಎ ಮಂತ್ ಅಂತ. ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ವೈಸ್. ಮೈ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಬಾರೋಡ್ my laptop. Here the underlined words are my laptop. The double question is, what did your brother borrow? Ninna brother ಏನನ್ನ ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ? The answer is laptop. I spent ₹1,000 on groceries. Here the underlined word is ₹1,000. The question is, how much did you spend on groceries? ನೀನು ದಿನಸಿ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಣವನ್ನು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದೆ? The answer is ₹1,000. We use double question how much for mentioning money or rupees. I learned English by practicing daily. Here the underlined words are by practicing daily. How did you learn English? The answer is by practicing daily. The car was parked in the garage. The underlined words are the car. The question is, what was parked in the garage? The answer is the car. This bag is Johan's. ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಗು ಜೋಹಾನನದ್ದು. ಇದು ಜೋಹಾನನ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್. To get the answer for this underlined word, we have to frame the question. Whose bag is this? Whose means ಯಾರ. ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಗು ಯಾರದ್ದು? The answer is Johan's. 10 members attended the meeting. Here the number is 10 members. How many is double question for number? That is 10 members attended the meeting. So how many members attended the meeting? The answer is 10 members. Vikram is the greatest student. The underlined words are the greatest. The question is, what kind of student is Vikram? Vikram ಎಂತ ಹುಡುಗ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ? The answer is the greatest. So what kind means the answer is the greatest. The cap seller sold all his caps to the children. The question is, whom did the cap seller sell all his caps? Cap seller ತನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಮಾರಿದ? So ಯಾರಿಗೆ means whom. The answer is to the children. Last one. It takes 2 hours to reach ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ. ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ತಲುಪಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಗಂಟೆಗಳು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. The question is, how long does it take to reach ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ? Dear friends, that's all for today's video on double questions. I hope you have now clear understanding of how to frame right questions to get the exact answers. Try this trick in our daily conversation. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for useful English learning tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.